Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S4 and I'm gonna show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set a custom watch face on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once the application opens, we need to tap on device icon. Here you should see your Xiaomi Watch S4, and under it there should be this Manage Watch Faces category. Tap on the All in the corner to open the online store. In the store, at the top, at the top you should see the list of categories. Find the custom, tap on it, and it will open the custom category. And here we have different types of custom watch faces. Find the one you like, and once you find it, tap on it. Here we can also select the type of the font, and then we can tap on apply. And once it's applied, we can tap on edit, and then we can customize it even further. And here we can again select the style, we can add the photo, change the color of the clock, and we can customize it a bit further later on. No, we can't. There's style, color, and the background. Okay, so we can't customize it further, only the type of clock and the color of the clock. Anyway, to add the picture we want to use to set the custom watch face, we need to tap on add photo, tap on plus, open the folder, for example downloads, then select the picture we want to use. And I believe we can add more than one picture. So if I open this and add another one, then we can tap on select and select one or two photos. You can select multiple, I don't know how many, because I believe there is a limit, but let's try selecting two of them. Then tap on done, and we can go back, and the photos were added, as you can see. And let's customize our font, then tap on apply, and let's wait until the watch face is applied. Okay, and it was applied. Now we have two watch faces, as you can see. And if you have multiple pictures added, you can tap on the current watch face to basically cycle between them, and each time you wake up the screen, it will cycle between the watch face. So if we put the screen to sleep, wake it up, it will change the watch face each time you wake up the screen. And basically that's how it works. And once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you set the custom watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.